Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwasendoda lesogogo bathini bathi mawuvula kuvala endlini amadoda. U-Auntie Usha. Guys, if you want to make a difference in your life, especially in your finances, there's a lot that you need to change about yourself. Yo, guys, I think you'll forgive me that these days, almost every week I touch base on the issues of saying there is no way you can expect Muti to do everything for you. There's no way, guys. There's no way, guys. If you don't want to change a certain behavior in your life, don't use Muti. Don't use Muti. Because you are wasting your money. You are wasting your hard-earned money, or even if you got that money just njena ilahlile, but you are wasting that money. Do yourself a favor. I've seen so many people who are willing to spend money, who have spent money, but they don't want to change their behavior, their lifestyle, their way of doing things, their laziness. Guys, have you seen people who are saying, hey, Cock, I'm almost been everywhere. Hey, Cock, I've tried, man. Hey, I've tried, Cock. Hey, Usman gave me this thing. Usman gave me this thing. Usman gave me this thing. It doesn't work. Hey, Cock, I did go and fetch his scoop. It didn't work. Cock, I did this. It didn't work. Cock, I did that. It didn't work. Cock, I did that. It didn't work. Cock, it's fine. But the problem that we're faced with is that people feel ukuthi finishing the course, finishing the treatment, that's all they need to do. People feel ukuthi if I went to a healer and I've been given umuthi wokuphalaza, to steam, to bath, or to burn, to link, to smoke or whatever, that's enough. No, that's just a procedure. It's just a procedure on its own. It is not enough, guys. I don't know how can I say this. It's not enough. It is not enough. Trust me, it is not. It is not enough. That alone, it's something. Yes, you have done it. You have done it. We have been given a treatment. You woke up in the morning, whether you need to wake up at 4 a.m., you did that, everything. You were so disciplined. You were so disciplined, but you are only disciplined in one side of doing things, while there are two sides of doing things. Many people, they excel in the Muti side of doing things. And remember, Muti is invited here. You gave Muti a tender to change your life. It's a tender that you gave Muti. But the reason, okay, I'm asking this. You give a tender to a Muti to say, I want you to come to my life. You give a tender to a healer. Let me put it that way. You give a healer a tender to say, Koko Batinimbata, I would like you to change my life. This is where I want to see my life being. So if you come to me and you want to award me the tender for me to change your life, I'll be glad to have your tender. I'll be glad to have your tender. But remember, your tender must go hand in hand with you. With you. I cannot do it alone. I cannot do it alone. How ready are you to see changes in your life? What is it? Do you know? Okay, not necessarily what is it. Rather, do you know, Uguti, there are certain things that you need to change in your life for you to be successful? Yes. Because Muti is not going to do that. Muti works on the soil that is prepared. Muti, it's a seed. Muti is seed. I need us to understand this very, very, very well. What is Muti? Muti is a seed that you can only plant on the fertile soil, on the soil that is ready for the seed. You cannot just plant a spinach on a soil that is rocky, full of rocks, or is full of water. You can't. You can't. I think that's a key thing that I want us to remember from today onwards. What is Muti? Muti is a seed, and you are a soil that needs to be prepared, that needs to be ready for the seed, for it to produce whatever you are planting. It's up to you, what seed is it? Whether it's for vegetables, whether it's for fruits, it's up to you. You know what is it that you want to achieve. Maybe I'm not clear. Apologies. English is not my first language. Umuthi yimbewu. Imbewu efuna isihlabathi esivundile. Kuze lo mbewu leyo izokhipha isithelo leso ofuna ukuthi isikhiphe. Yeah. Ngibeka kahle ngesiZulu. Umuthi yimbewu edinga isihlabathi noma inhlabathi evundile. Not isihlabathi, because in Zulu there's a difference between inhlabathi nesihlabathi. Efuna inhlabathi evundile, ekulungele ukuthi yenzeni kutshalwe kuyona khona kuzophuma isithelo leso ufuna ukuthi siphume kuyona leyo nhlabathi. So most of the time people, they don't understand ukuthi when they are taking muti to their body, they are taking a seed into the soil, which is their body, which is their life. The soil in your body, in you, it's your life. So you have to be ready, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, that's why most of us, we are wasting money. We are getting the right muti. We are getting the right healers. Here, even in South Africa, or whenever where we are getting the right stuff. However, we are not prepared. We are not conducive for the muti that we are getting, because we do not want to work on ourselves first. That is a problem. We are faced with so much problems because there's so much negativities. Sometimes somebody's using muti. That person is so negative. Lalela, that person, sometimes muti is used by so much toxic individual. And that toxic individual will still blame now the healer to say, that healer is not working. I've been to that guy. Do you know these guys? No, I've been to that one. That one doesn't know anything. No, I've been to that one. That one doesn't know anything. I was once in a taxi, and there was this guy who was talking on the phone with this other guy, and he kept on saying, no. No, that one doesn't know anything. Oh, I have been to that one. That one, Echozin. No, I've been to that one. That one doesn't know anything. Yeah, Spanban. Do you know Spanban in it? Then I said to myself, if you are so experienced of who works, who doesn't work, why are you with us in a taxi? I was just asking myself that. And I'll go deeper with that, why I'm asking myself that. I'm not saying that every successful person must have a car. But in the conversation, that guy is still searching. You can hear Uti, he's still in a search of yet another person. It's a long distance taxi. Then another call came or was made, talking again, telling now a different person how tough things are. Gone. Another call later on that day. Still on a long distance, we were going to Zimbabwe. Now talking to a so-called girlfriend, telling the girlfriend how stupid she is. How must he repeat one thing all over and all over again as if he's talking to a child? When is she going to grow up? Yeah, you're just stupid when man. And you can feel the guy has anger issues. You understand? You can feel the guy has anger issues because now the entire taxi is listening to this guy. Until I like yabon umuntu. Until I said to him, and he looked at me, I said, and then he cooled down and then he stopped. Guess what? After he stopped insulting the lady on the phone, he didn't say anything to me. He had an attitude towards me. Right. Take that character and give that character good muti. Forget it, Koshwa. That muti will never work. Forget it. Hambiolala. That muti will never work. There are certain things that we need to change about our behaviors, about our lifestyles, about how we speak, how we receive, how we treat each other. That makes a difference. If we are going to expect Muti to perform miracles, Muti will never change your stinking attitude. Muti will never change your toxic life. Muti will never change how bad you treat people. Muti will never do that. Muti will be there and wait for a conducive time and moment, environment for it to work. It's up to you. You can skip this video. You can insult me as others used to normally do and say whatever. There's certain things that you need to change in your life for you to make Muti to be conducive to do what is meant to do to your life. Period. Period. Muti will never change your mindset. If your mindset is negative, lalela, it will remain negative. You'll change healers until you die. You'll spend money until you die. There's a certain behaviors, ways of doing things that you need to change for Muti to work for you. Okay, Muti, it's a seed. Your life, your lifestyle, it's a soil. If your soil is not enough, it is not conducive, it's not fertile, that seed is going to die. Or you can see, there's something that is growing here, but suddenly it has disappeared. It's because of the soil. It's not good. The soil is not good. So if you want to see a difference into your life, if you want to see change into your life, if you want to see the value of Umuti, change. 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 Go and look at, search for videos of self-introspection. Check the videos on this channel of self-introspection. Check the views. Very, very, very minimum. Go to videos of Uktwala Ngenyoka, Uktwala Ngama Boys. Millions of views. Others is hundreds of views, others is millions of views. Why? People are afraid to do self-introspection. People are afraid to look at themselves in the mirror. There are people that don't have mirrors in their houses. They have reflections for them to see, I think I have a pimple here. That's it. They are not looking at themselves through the mirror and go straight into their hearts and to do a self-introspection. What is happening into my life? What is it that I need to change? If you wake up every morning and you don't have anything that you are thinking, Oguti, I need to change this behavior. I need to change this attitude. I need to change this way of talking to people. I need to change this way of running a business. I need to respect money. There are things that you need to do and practice them every day. That is preparing your soil. That is preparing your life to be conducive for what? For Muti. I'm not a people's person. Have you had people like that? I'm not a people's person, but that yet you have studied communication. There's a lady we used to work with at independent newspapers. She used to say that. I'm not a people's person. But I've asked her, but you did journalism. So why did you go and study journalism if you're not a people's person? No. I just want to do a story and get out of it. And you could see her story is good. Yeah, she's not a people's person because she will stick to one angle of the story while there's plenty angles that one can play around within the same story. But because of he's not a people's person, she can see that person has something to tell. But because of she doesn't like the character of that person, so she's compromising her article because of somebody else. I don't want to go where she is today. I don't want to go there because it will be like I'm boasting, or it will be like I'm laughing at her. I'm not laughing at her. But some behaviors might not hurt you namhlanje, but they'll do damage tomorrow. Be careful. Be careful. Pay attention. Pay attention for that. There are things that they might damage you tomorrow, not today. Things like you have spent so much money in going and fetch whatever that you went to fetch, but it's not working. Not that it's not working. I'm not saying that every muti that you fetch, or every scoop that you fetch, or every snake that you went to fetch, wherever it's working. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is, are you a fertile soil now for the seed you went to buy? You went to pay for. Are you prepared now? When? Guys, we go and enroll into schools, colleges, short courses, and whatever. And enrolling is what? It's a seed. Enrolling, if you're going to enroll on a certain course or a skill, it's a seed that you go and say, I need this, I need to know this. And you are bringing that, or you are attending with what? With the soil. So your mindset must be conducive for you to study, isn't it? You need to be in an environment that you cannot enroll and go and stay in the tavern and go and do your homework in the tavern. There's noise, there's friends, there's alcohol, there's what. And so that is a wrong soil for the seed you went to fetch when you enrolled, isn't it? So the same as money, the same as wealth. You need to decide. It's a decision at the end of the day. If you decide you are going to fetch umuti, you need to also decide I have to change a certain aspects of my life. There are things that I need to change in my life. There are attitudes that I need to change in my life. When things goes bad to me, I first look at myself. Yes, there was that time whereby I will blame anyone and tell anyone that cares to listen. I no longer talk. I've learned not to talk about my feelings. I've learned not to talk about what hurts me. Because I definitely realized, I used to read articles to say 80%, 20% don't care. 80% they are glad that you are going through that. If you are going through difficult times. I've learned. So if I go through the difficult times, the first thing I'm asking myself, Batini, how did you contribute to this? There should be a contribution that you had in what you are going through. And the percentage is higher than what others have done, because you have taken a decision ukuthi you are allowing this individual to be in your life. You have taken a decision ukuthi you are allowing this person to be in your business. You have taken a decision ukuthi you are allowing yourself to be there, to be part of it. Have you seen people who found people arguing and then they joined? Then they say Sala Nabo at the end of the day. They have decided to be part of ilokuzana of debate that they don't even know how it started. So it is up to us as an individuals. Ukuthi, what is it that we want? Where do you want to see ourselves? The bottom line is we are the soil. Whatever we fetch, it's a seed. Asibeni inhlabathi evundile, ready. If you are not fertile, if you are that soil that is not fertile, stay home. Don't use muti. Stay home. Forget about muti. Forget about muti. If you are not willing to change, forget about muti. Stay home. If all you know, ukuthi, when you have money, it's that if you're making a profit, that profit is for new cell phone, that profit is for expensive clothes, that profit it's for new car and everything. Forget about the business. Forget about muti. Because you don't know which money to spend. I'm not saying people mustn't buy nice cell phones. I'm not saying people mustn't buy designer clothes. I'm not saying that. But you need to know what is the profit? How to calculate profit? Profit is not money that went to your account. Profit is what remains after you've paid everything, after you've invested, after you've made sure you are ready for the next project. Then whatever that is left, then you can call it a profit. You can spend from there, knowing very well you can still survive. How many people do you know who wear expensive clothes, but they are broke? They are broke. As we speak, they are broke. They took their last money and they went to buy a t-shirt that cost 5,000 rand. That was the last 5,000 they had. But because according to them, they wanted to look the part. They wanted to feel they are part and parcel of the group they are going with. The group that is spending on the remaining 5% profit. Where now you have taken 100% money of the project and you went to buy a designer clothes because you want to be seen. Auntie Usha, Financial Breakthrough. We're starting on the 22nd until evening of the 28th November 2025. It's pregnant. The Financial Breakthrough for this year, it's pregnant yet again. All of them, they are pregnant. This one is also pregnant. I've been asked to say, Gogo, how can you, some other question, guys. I had a question with him, Gogo, how can you do a financial breakthrough and then you say it's for 2025, but it's the end of 2025? So do you want to start 2026 in 2026? That's my question. Do you want to start 2026 in 2026? Do you want to start 2030 in 2030? Is what you are trying to say. Because if I'm saying 2025 financial breakthrough, it's up to you. If you want to keep it to 2025, or you are going to use 2025 to plan for years to come. That's how you plan. If you really care about your finances, you don't plan for month end. You don't plan for the end of the year. You plan for next year. You plan for 5 years to come. Where do you see yourself in 5 years financially? Where do you see your assets in 5 years to come? What do you have? Do you have a piece of land? Even if it can be 100 meter by 100 meter, do you have that piece of land that you know, Oguti, I have a piece of land that I can start anything should things go wrong? Do you know how's that? This house that this Rondovel just here, this one here, I've been building it for the past 5 years. You know, I've got a land, I've started building bit by bit and everything. I'm not paying any rates. It's in the rural area and everything because I know Uguti, the plan, it's a long-term plan about this particular land. And it's not the only land I have. It's many lands that I have, and I have a vision for them. And the plan is not for tomorrow. The plan is for the future. The plan is for my children. The plan is for my grandchildren. Do you have that kind of a plan? So if you're going to plan now for this month, then even a person who's employed no longer plans like that. You need to plan for the future. You need to plan for years to come. So financial breakthrough for this year is pregnant. It's pregnant. Even me and myself, I'm ready for it. It's pregnant. It's full of things that again I'm going to touch base on things that are sensitive, that we don't want to discuss. We refuse to discuss, but I'm going to touch on them. Definitely, I'm going to touch on them, and I'm sorry if I'm going to be stepping on people's whatever, but I'm going to go deep in terms of each and every day's topic because that is a build up. Another thing that I've studied this late, there's a lot of things that happened to me as I'm assisting in advocating and pioneering these prayers. I need to be spiritually okay, guys. It is very important for me to be spiritually okay. It's not something that I can wake up in the morning and do. That's why sometimes people will come at home and then they will say, Ukoko is not well. And you see me going up and down the yard and you're thinking, but no, he's well. He is. No, I work with spirit. So if I'm spiritually not there, if I'm not okay spiritually, there's nothing I can do. I can't do a consultation. I can't even speak to you because you are coming to me because of you need help. Sometimes people are coming to me because of they need to speak. So you can't come to me and you need to speak and cry on me. Now I'm crying myself on you. So it doesn't make sense. So I need to be there. You know, those that have found me at my peak, they will understand Uti, Isalwa Sendota, how does it work? How does he work? I need to be there spiritual. So it took this much. I was supposed to start even earlier, and you know what happened at home. Then I had to wait for that to pass, to go through, because that pain that I had in September, it's a pain that is going through. It's not completely out, but it's no longer now the pain that I have because of it's going through. As I said to this other video, to say the pain that you are going through, you are going through. It's not permanent. It's a pain. So I need us to understand that part. Uguti, why are we starting this late this year? However, it is never late to start a financial breakthrough prayer. It is never late to talk to your ancestors. It is never late to start again. It is never late to start that business. It is never late to pursue whatever dream that you wanted to pursue in your life. The only thing that you need to do, guys, we need to learn to be patient, persistent, and positive. We need to learn to be patient, persistent, and positive. Because we are not patient, guys. Guys, we are not patient. Not that their business it didn't work or it's not working. Patience is not there. I've been running this business for 3 years. I don't have a profit. As long as you still have means to keep it running, keep it running. Usopopa now, things will be fine. Guys, we are living in the country with so much financial problems. You are not alone. Don't behave as if we are the only person that needs money. We all need money. You can see what is happening in the news and everything. Things about monies and whatever, corruption and whatever. We all need money. The only thing that you need to do is to be persistent and be positive. Believe what you can do it. If you don't want to believe, who will believe on your behalf? You need to believe what I'm going to make things isn't those over right. No matter what, things over right, things over sharp now. If you die not being sharp, trust me, your children will take over because you have left them at a high note. you have left the life at a very, very, very high note. Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu, sala kwasendoda.